Welcome and welcome back to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz, and if I look like I'm cold, I am. I turned my heater off so you wouldn't have to worry about that noise because it is kind of loud. So I'm gonna try to get through this video because I'm freezing. If you watched my last video, I mentioned how I went to Joann because there was a pattern sale mentioned, but when I got to the store, they were not having a sale. And I was kind of chatting with Jessica of Jessica J Creates in my comments of that video, and we were just saying how different the stores can be and like why that is. Because the most recent sale, Grace posted $1.99 on all patterns until further notice. So this time, just to be safe, because I immediately got excited, I did call my Joann's before I went, and they said they were having the $1.99 sale through the weekend. And I was like, wow, why do we just get it through the weekend, but other stores are getting it like indefinitely? So I did go ahead and indulge in this sale, and I'm going to share with you the patterns that I picked up. Now, mind you, I went there with hopes of catching some of the new patterns. I didn't realize they hadn't dropped in stores yet. So my store didn't have any of the new patterns, but I will go ahead and share with you the ones I did pick up. So the first one is New Look N6751. This pattern is rated easy, just for knits, and it is described as jersey knit. It is described as Mrs. Knit dresses. Now, I like this pattern. I especially like this view, and maybe because it's in leopard print, but I do like that view. Summer is coming up, so a sleeveless dress would be great. Now, view A I also like, but it has that kind of wrap-like top, and I don't really care for garments that are kind of wrap-like. I don't know, I may try it, but yeah, view B was really calling my name, so I picked this one up. And then I picked up McCall's M7906. I love the options of skirts in this pattern. So my favorite view on this pattern would be view D. I like how it has that tie belt, and it also has buttons. So y'all know, once upon a time I was really afraid of buttons and buttonholes on my sewing machine, so I've gotten over that. So really they don't frighten me as much anymore, and I am more open to sewing garments with buttons, so I am liking view D. Next is New Look 6554. It's an easy, just for knits pattern, and it's described as Mrs. 7 sizes in 1. I picked this one up because most of the romper patterns that I have is made for wovens, but I really did like this one. Now, all of the bodices on this pattern are wrap style. Yes, I know. I thought about giving this one a try because it is a knit romper, so we'll see. Then I picked up McCall's M7641. Now, this is a costume pattern, and y'all, I can't even tell y'all where I saw this, whose channel I saw this on, because I know I didn't come across this on my own, but I like this view here, the shorter style costume. I don't know what you want to call this, kind of like a, I don't know what you would call this, a cape, a dress, a peplum, I don't know, but I like it. I really like it. My daughter also liked this pattern when she saw it and thought it was extra cute. I don't know when I would make this or where I would wear it to, but I do like this, and I know I saw it on someone's channel, and whatever they made with it had to be awesome. So I'm gonna try to scour through the videos I've consumed lately and see who made up this pattern, but I really do like this one, and I'm looking forward to making that. It's really cute. Okay, next is McCall's M8534. and it's described as Mrs. Knit jumpsuits. I picked this pattern up mostly for the flared legs. My daughter has been asking for some flare leg pants, and I thought this would be a good pattern to use for the pant portion. The jumpsuits are also cute. If I were going to make one, I would probably make, I don't know. All of them are nice. But I do like view A, and maybe because of that little peekaboo action there at the top. And last but not least was New Look N6682. And this pattern is described as Mrs. 7 sizes in 1. It is a dress pattern. And the view that I like most on this dress is view A. It's also the view that the model is wearing here. And I don't know, there's just something about this look that looks very simple and classic, yet sophisticated. I really like that dress on the model. I don't know. I really like it. Plus, there is enough details in the sleeves to really just kind of elevate the look a little bit, not make it so simple, but just give it a little pizzazz. So I am liking that view, and I may use this pattern as my Valentine's Day dress, like maybe the skirt portion. I don't know about the bodice part yet. I'm still working on that. I have a little bit of time before Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna look at this pattern and really give it some more thought. I mean, I really like the structure of the bodice, but I also like the skirt. Now, my vision for my Valentine dress is, my daughter said, nothing long. They said my Valentine outfit should be something shorter than what I usually wear. And I can't say that I don't agree, because that was exactly the vision I had. Something kind of flirty, yet still kind of covered. I will say I don't want it this covered, like with those sleeves and everything. So that's my vision. We'll see if I can pull it off. Yeah, we shall see. We'll see if I can pull it off. I was glad I was able to get these patterns at the low price of $1.99, and I'm still waiting for those new patterns to drop. Hopefully they will still be having the sale, but I did ask the lady how long the $1.99 sale would be going on, if it was actually ending on Sunday, and she said no, it'll still be going on for a little while. So I don't really know what that meant or how long that will be, but when those new patterns drop, I'm calling Joann's to see if they're still having this sale, because I will be going back. But that's all the patterns I picked up on this round. So until next time, keep sewing.